Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. The gold chart still presents me with only 3 waves to the upside. Is it already 5? Yeah, someone asked me the question. I don't think so. I don't see a reliable 5-wave move to the upside yet. Yes, you could count it as 5 waves. So we would have here the 1, 2. This would have to be the 3, but I just don't like the idea, the count 4, 5. It's technically possible, but we're always watching for a very clear 5-wave move up, right? So for me, this is primarily just 3 waves up. The move down so far has been fairly shallow, which would rather confirm the idea of a 4th wave. What you need to understand though, if we get a 5th wave, it can still go either way from here. We need 5 waves up. It can easily still go 3 waves from here. 3 waves. It can go either way from here because we only have 3 waves up. So it can still break down. If we have 5 waves, or as soon as we have 5 waves, then we have further clarity that indeed early in October here, a low has been made on the 6th of October at around $1,823. Okay. So here we're talking about gold futures. Okay. So the spot price is slightly different, but the overall count doesn't really differ. At least this year can be traded. So if we look at this against 1949, we said we can go with this wave count, and as long as the price doesn't get a sustained break below 1949, it will not lose its impulsive characteristic. So the overall focus is still on higher, with a target range in the region between 2056 and $2,107. I have to say though, in commodities generally, regularly, let's say regularly, not always, but regularly, the 5th wave extends. So don't be surprised if we get some crazy extensions here. But it still doesn't change anything about the analysis. To confirm that the lasting low has been established, I need 5 waves up and 3 waves down from an analysis point of view. This could still be an ABC structure. That doesn't mean you have to wait to make a trade until I confirm that the lasting low has been made. Some people prefer to wait for confirmation. Others trade rewarded risk, which is basically what I would typically do as well when we have a reasonable assumption that, let's say, a low is in place, or that we are coming back into these support areas. Yeah, even if we haven't got 5 waves up, 3 waves down, these can be used obviously to measure your risk, and you can trade based on them if you like to. It's of course no financial advice, and they just show trend reversal boxes, support boxes where the price has a chance to turn around. The ones in a wave 4 are generally less reliable than the ones in a wave 2, because in a wave 4 we only have 3 waves up. They can easily break. But if we have 5 waves up, then we have a good, then we can say with more confidence that most likely in a corrective pullback, a higher low is going to be formed, which can be used as a setup and a jump-off point for a 3rd wave rally higher. Eventually, I view gold as in a bull run basically, right? And it could move into the region around $2,500, maybe more. So yeah, and I don't think there is much more to add. I mean, at the moment, it's just boring sideways action. We had this support area, which the price used to turn around. This one as well, we have already left it to the upside. But I have to say that the rally so far is only in 3 waves. So if I had to give you a micro count, bear in mind, these are always less reliable. So far, it looks to me as if we might go a little lower into the support area. So this could be an A wave, 5 waves, or actually in 3, A, B, C. In A, then we have here the B wave, and could come down in a C wave, possibly next week, before then moving up in wave 5. Just bear in mind, at the moment, we are simply observing this. I personally don't think there is much action needed until we really have a confirmed 5-wave move up and a 3-wave move down. So yeah, that's my update about gold. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in getting updated about the S&P 500 on a daily basis, also intraday, And if you're interested in updates about stocks, then check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You can find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.